Hello and welcome to Guide Glimpse. So I will teach you all about Glint app in this video. So first talk about what is Glint app. Glint app is a financial app that lets you buy, save and spend real gold like regular money. So if we talk about how it works, so basically for buying gold, you can buy gold through this app and you can store it securely. If we talk about spending the gold, this app provides a MasterCard that allows you to pay for the goods and service using your gold. If we talk about multiple currencies that this app offers, it also supports regular currencies like USD, GBA, and euros, and you can switch between them easily. Now we talk about protection against inflation. So, self-hold is considered as a stable asset. It helps you protect your money from inflation and currency fluctuations. So, Glint turns gold into a usable currency. Basically, Glint Pay has turned gold into a stable currency. So, if we talk about how this app works, Glint app works, simply open the Glint app here. Here I will teach you all about the Glint app. Here they send gold. Send gold instantly to your friends and family. Here you can see spend gold. Basically, Glint has introduced gold as a currency. Here you have to continue by providing your phone number here. Here now write your verification code. After that simply click on continue. Now here you have to select your country of residence and you have to provide here a reference code. Reference code is optional here. Simply click on continue now. Here you have to provide your email address here. So write your email address here. After providing email, simply click on continue. Now you have to write the verification code that they have emailed you. Go to your Gmail. Write here your verification code here. Now here I have written my email verification code. Simply click on continue. Now here you have to give your details like title, first name, second name, middle name. So right here. Title is optional, you can skip that. Now here you have written here my last name. Now simply click on continue. Now here they have written a nationality. Now here write your date of birth. Now simply click on continue. Now here you have to provide your detail. Now here you have to provide your flat number, house number. Flat number is optional here. House number, street number, town and city, county and postal code, and country is already selected here. So simply write that. So here after writing all your information, simply click on continue. Now here we need to ask you some question for legal and regular processes. We are not asking this question for marketing purpose. Here they are asking that what is our expected financial volume as it relates to intended activity on our Glint account. Please indicate both scale and time. Here they are asking that whether we will gonna fund this Glint account with our UK account or an overseas based account in our name. So we have to select here. I'm selecting here the UK account. Please explain why you want a Glint account, and then this is what is your employment. So you can here write what is your employment. So here I'm writing a full time, and then please state your occupation you work in and which sector do you work in, and then what is your income roughly per year. Here explain that what is your income. So after providing all this information, you simply have to click on continue. Now here you have to agree to the terms of services. Simply select both these and now create account. Now they are asking us to choose a log for this account. Simply choose a password here. Now confirm the password and that's it. Now we have to wait for some mint. Here you can also enable the Face ID, but I'm skipping it for now. Here all set. Here you can see that we have received the email as well that our account has been created. Here you can enable the notifications, but I will check that later. And here verify who you are. Open messages. After verifying, your account will gonna be created. So here in the home page you can see different options. You can see the free, spin and linked option here, and here you can see the buy gold option in front of the balance. Simply click on the buy gold option. Here the gold graph has opened. Now you can see the price here and the graph here. You can see all that, and the bottom you can see the option buy, sell, send, withdraw. You can buy, sell by clicking on this option. You can simply withdraw, and you can send this gold to your friends as a gift, and that's also really amazing. And that was all about the Glint app. If you find this video useful, please like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.